Okay, I was dating his uncle, and I lived across the street from his father. And when his mom and dad decided to get married, she asked me to be one of her bridesmaids, and I was. And then after they got married, we both went to work at 7 Bell then, and we both lived together in Allen Temple. You don't have to tell nobody that.
No, Allen Temple.
Our very first apartment was in Allen Temple, and Ryan had turned 2 and a half, and his hair was getting too long. So his mom said his head was too big for all that hair. So she asked me to take him to get a haircut. So we were at my mom's house that my parents had bought from his grandparents, the Camerons. And my dad was driving an 18-wheeler, had come home for lunch, and Daddy said, "Come on, I'll take y'all up to Collier Heights Plaza. I'll take y'all up there so he can get a haircut." He said, "Come on, Ryan." He went running out the door. We got out to the front yard, and he saw Daddy's truck. And he said, I ain't getting in that big old truck." It was so cute. I've been trying to get you forever.
I ain't getting that big old truck. And my fear of 18-wheelers continues to this day. I don't like big trucks. Everybody knows that. So from a baby, I didn't like 18-wheelers.
2 years old. I can't wait to ride it.